on to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, it's Sister Fefe. Today it is, I believe, January the 5th or the 6th. I'm not for sure really. But I am getting ready to go to work, and it is the day of the blizzard. So come on and ride with me, okay? I got to put on my glasses to see how this is gonna go, okay? Okay guys, this is, I hope you guys can see, I have a camera, also a dashboard camera, so it's kind of in your way. I do apologize. I'm just putting on my seatbelt. And so far, I got out of the house okay, so I'm very grateful for that. So if you guys just was able to see, the snow plow person is actually out, you know, plowing the road. Usually I go like down this back road to work, but today I'm not gonna do it. So we're supposed to actually be having a blizzard. So it's just starting, and I will record, I guess, once I get to work a little later on to see how everything gonna play itself out. Then I will come back and let you guys see maybe outside, or if it's truly gonna be a blizzard like they say it's gonna be a blizzard. All right, I'll be back. All right guys, I have made it to work, and I am about 30 minutes early, so I'm just able to sit down and record and let you guys know how my trip was from the home to work. And it wasn't bad. It was not bad. But I did see 2 wrecks on my way here. So I do thank God for his traveling mercy to get me here safe and sound, no hurt, harm, or danger. And I pray that those people that was in the wreck, it didn't look bad. It looked like everybody might have just like bumped into each other. The first one just slid off the road, and the second one, they literally crashed together. But they was out of the car. Didn't look like nobody was hurt real bad. So I'm very grateful that I made it to work. It is still snowing a little. It's not a lot, but once I get a good amount of snow, if it be more than this, I'll let you all know. But yeah guys, I made it to work. Ain't God good? All right. Okay guys, we got a little bit more snow coming, and so I wanted to give you guys a little view of what is going on out there. So it is growing. All right, we got until in the morning to see what the rest is gonna be like. Hey guys, it is about 4:30 in the morning, and I can't even get out the door. I'm trying to open this door, and it is super hard to open. If you look down there, it is piling up pretty good, but so far it has not stopped snowing. So I'm hoping and praying that I could be able to get in my house, because right now I can't get out of this door, and this is at work. So let's see what is gonna happen next. Okay, guys, I do see that the snow. Oh goodness, I hope it don't hit that. Plier is out at my job, so the roads are being cleaned for us to get around. So hopefully it be cleared up by in the morning. Okay, guys, it has gotten really, really bad. I just came out, crank up my car. It is snowing like crazy. They have the plier out there, and it is getting worse by the minute. So I got to get out of here and get home. So pray for me, guys. I'll let you know. I pray I get home safe. All right, let me get back in this building. I have made it home. My husband and I are home. He got home maybe like 8 hours after I did this morning. I got home like 8:30. I got off at 7, but I had to drive that slow in the storm. So in the snow, in other words, not the storm, but in the snow. And so I made it home. It is a little bad out there, but I don't think it is as bad as we thought it was going to be, but it still is bad. But we're home. We're wrapped in our covers. Just grateful unto God for safe travel for the both of us and everything. Daddy, was it bad? Because I haven't been back out there. He just got home. Don't turn it off yet. I'm getting ready to turn it off. But Daddy, I just want to question, was it bad out there? No, it wasn't that bad. But my husband, he literally came home and he tried to fix the driveway. And so it was like a lot of snow out there. So he's going to have to wait until maybe tomorrow or either when he come back Thursday. But other than that, we're in the bed. All right. You guys be safe out there. And I pray that this too shall pass. All right. Blessings. Welcome to Sister Fefe channel, where you are welcome here.